In my 10 years of doing SEO, I found that optimizing your footer is the easiest way to increase your Google search rankings. Now, if you're new here, my name's Sakes, so this is me right here, and I've been doing SEO for nearly a decade now, and I've managed the SEO for multiple award-winning marketing agencies, and here are a few of my client results. And before I jump into this tutorial, if you're looking for an SEO channel that gives genuine new, unique insights on SEO and how to rank your website and increase your bottom line, then I'd highly recommend subscribing and checking out my other videos. So why is optimizing your footer here such a powerful way and easy way to increase your rankings? Well, let's just say you've got these 3 pages that you really want to rank here. And then you've got your footer menu here. You've got all your different links within your footer menu. Well, if you just link to these 3 pages within your footer menu, then your entire website will be linking to these 3 pages. And the more links you get, the higher you're going to rank. So for example, I've taken this site over here and I've literally just typed in site : and then their domain name, and they've got literally just under 2,000 pages. So by the footer linking to these 3 particular pages, that means they've got just under 2,000 internal links. And when Google over here, pretend this is Google, they're crawling your website, they're going throughout your website, and they've noticed that this page and this page and this page, they're getting lots of internal links. Guess what? That signals to Google this is a really important page, therefore they're going to prioritize it. So let's just take this page. They're trying to rank for women's hoodies, women's sweat tops. Well, literally just linking to them within the footer is going to create a large burst of links. And I've tested this many times, and I even tell this to my consultation clients. I just say to them, just do this, and every single time without fail, they've noticed their rankings and bottom line increase. Now, I'm guessing you've landed on this particular channel because you're on an SEO binge right now. You're looking at different videos, but it seems overwhelming. And here's the thing, you can piece together advice and hope for results, or you can book a one-on-one with me, and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do in order to increase your revenue. It doesn't matter if you're e-commerce or you're SaaS or whatever. I'll help demystify and create an SEO strategy for you. And it is a paid consultation, so just keep that in mind. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just check out some of these videos. Now, I don't mean to toot my own horn here, but just check out this video right here and you'll notice the difference in the quality of content and the advice I'm giving compared to the other SEOs on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description to this particular page, and I'll see you in the next video.